Hey folks, got a 2018 Jeep Compass. Alright, it's got 95,000 miles on it. Customer complaint is she hit a pothole and now it sounds like thunder. So I'm going to take it out for a ride. Let's see what we can do. Try to duplicate this thing. Alright, let's back it out. Let's see what kind of thunder we're talking about, people. Switch hands. All right, let's try it. Let's go down the street. I hear that noise. Hear it? Doesn't go away when you step on the brakes. Making a right turn right now. I'm going to turn the wheel left and right real quickly. I can't get it to do it, but you can hear it. Definitely some kind of rattle noise. Coming to a stop. Let's go down the street here. Let's see what it does. Turn the steering wheel a little bit. Yeah, you can hear it. It's like a rattle. Sounds like it's coming from the front. If I stop at the light, let me see. Can't get it to rattle too much. It's got to move. We have to lift it up and see what's underneath. All right, let's put up a lift. See what we can find. All right, what I did was I disconnected the right side sway bar link. And look, going back and forth, no more noise. All right, and didn't see anything wrong with the front end. Didn't see anything that was busted or hanging loose. But I did suspect the right side sway bar link. They're all made out of plastic. And they do make some really nasty noises. All right, so there you go. I'm going to show you what I did to troubleshoot it to make sure it is the sway bar link. All right. I put it up on the lift and I'll show you. So here it is. I tied it up and out of the way. There's a little tiny little bracket over there with a wire tie. And you took it for a ride. All right, it's hard to figure out unless they're shot and you can wiggle it, but it's pretty firm. I think there's a spring in there, so you can't really tell if they're bad or not. Sometimes if they're bad, it'll wobble, not only wobble but actually go in and out inside the ball joint that's in there on the top or the bottom. The other side was replaced before because it was wobbling and it made a noise. So this one actually, she hit a pothole. I guess it kind of like shocked it a little bit. So that's where the noise is. We're going to replace this at AutoZone. We'll buy the other one. Okay, and we'll replace this one. Basically just two nuts. I'll attach the YouTube video for when I replaced it on the other side a while back. All right, they're pretty expensive. So you can get them cheaper somewhere else, but lifetime warranty from AutoZone, I'll take it. All right, that's it. Sway bar links. That's that little rattle noise, that thunder noise when you go over bumps. All right, thanks for watching.